This video will show you how to change the batteries for the Opendoor Infinity lock. Firstly, you will need with you a Phillips screwdriver and 4 AA alkaline batteries. Next, unscrew the battery case off the back of the door handle and disconnect the battery wire from the handle. Now you can replace the batteries in the case, making sure you place the batteries in the correct way. Once you have done this, you can now reconnect the wires. With this, you should hear one beep to confirm connection. Now screw back on the battery case, making sure it is on as tight as possible. You do not need to reinstall your lock, as our locking system does not lose its information. You will, however, need to set the time on the lock. If you are unsure on how to set the time, then please refer to our other video.